winter is back. It's windy, windy, windy. Wind everywhere. I can hear it. I like it like this. Nice and cool. Windy. It's fresher. It's nice, fresh. Air is fresher. Everything's nice. How was everybody's weekend, and how's South Korea going? Hopefully I get at least 2 likes. It'd be amazing. Like I said, I don't ask for much. A couple of likes per video or a couple of subscribers, and yeah, stuff like that is good, you know. It helps me, and you know, I like helping everybody too. I usually help everybody as well, you know. I like subscribing to people, and that's why, you know, I like people subscribing to me, and we all subscribe to each other and help each other in YouTube. You know, it's really nice. You know, I love the YouTube family. I've seen TikTok, but I don't know, TikTok's just not to me. I'm a YouTuber all the way. I prefer YouTube. I like doing YouTube. Yeah, definitely YouTube all the way. But yeah, just doing a nice little walk, you know, and getting some air. And it's cold. Trust me, here it's cold. Very cold day. But I like it. It's nice when it's like this. It's refreshing, you know, very refreshing and nice. And yeah, there's a little garden pit. I have to go see my garden soon, you know. Good old garden. Good old garden. Yeah, just bring you for a walk. We'll have to get some cat food, so maybe from where I go play my ticket, I might grab some cat food for Kitty, because Kitty might need some food too. So Kitty might need some food. Get some kitty food and stuff like that. You know, but besides that, it's not bad, you know. It's a beautiful day though, nice breeze. Oh man, I love days like this. So beautiful. Air's fresh, everything's nice, you know, so it's good to do, something to do, you know. It's fresh and it's nice and cool, and yeah. Hear the birds and the trees. See, not a lot of people out because it's early morning here. But I hope everybody's a blessed weekend so far, and stay safe. And today's actually a good day to keep warm. You know, cozy day. The bird has lots to say. Where is it? It's in one of them trees. I don't know where, but it's right there. Yeah, it's in that tree. The little bird makes a lot of noise. Did it fly away? Yeah, it flew away. But let's have a rest of awesome weekend in South Korea. I miss my family there, and you guys are amazing. Everybody is amazing, but I really love South Korea because there's a person there. Like I said, my family's there. I love this person with all my heart. Like I never loved somebody besides my family like I love her. Well, everybody have a good day. Take care. And God bless everybody. Bye-bye.